If you've ever dipped your toes into the world of get paid to websites, chances are you've heard of TimeBucks. It's one of those platforms that's been floating around for years, over a decade actually. So naturally, the big question in 2025 is TimeBucks a legit earning site or just another overhyped waste of time? TimeBucks definitely looks appealing at first glance. It offers a buffet of micro-earning options, surveys, ad clicks, watching videos, even TikTok-style tasks. And unlike a lot of region-locked platforms, it's open to users worldwide. You'll also find plenty of payment proofs online, and yes, people do get paid. Cash outs happen, the system works, and it's not pretending to be something it isn't. But once you scratch beneath the surface, the experience can feel a little different. One of the biggest frustrations users report is survey disqualification. Imagine spending 10 minutes answering questions only to be booted out at the end with nothing to show for it. That pattern is common, and over time, it drains both motivation and earning potential. And because TimeBucks often acts as a middleman between you and the actual survey providers, your payout tends to be smaller than what you might earn going directly to the source. So while the platform does deliver what it promises, small earnings for simple tasks, the real question is whether your time is being valued fairly. Many users describe it like a free buffet. Lots of variety, you can keep going back, but nothing really fills you up. So, is TimeBucks a scam? No, it's legit, but is it worth your time? That depends on your expectations. If you're okay with slow, pocket change earnings and don't mind some repetitive tasks, you might find it useful. But if you're chasing meaningful income or a more rewarding online hustle, there are definitely better menus out there. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your own TimeBucks experience. Thanks for watching.